Hey guys, just thought I'd let you know I'm still in the world. I've been working, I work at retail, so since Thanksgiving I've been working non-stop. Had a couple of days off, but had to catch up on some things. I have been checking my mail and stuff, and I got this in the mail straight from China when they made that video series on the jackknives. Got my cute little H&H brand of high quality jackknife pick. And anyway, it's got the 6 little picks in here. You got a city rake, a snake, offset ball, nice medium, slightly deep hook, half diamond, and then a half a snowball. I haven't really had a chance to play with it much, but I really appreciate it. Came from Legal Lockpicker's jackknife review series. Comes with the tension wrench you got to put in there and slide in. You got to push down and slide in. So when I get a chance and some time, I'll try to use this as a couple of locks. I've been watching the videos I have for my 100 giveaway. All my fur babies that everybody's got. And really appreciate the entries that I have. I believe there's 16 or 17. Yeah, not to count, got sick for a while. But I will be probably shoveling out some stuff today just to show, waiting for work to start. Lovely weather. But I will get some videos put up. I'm going to attempt to do the draw around the 11th. So you do have some time to get some videos put in. I want to see the fur babies. I'm sure there's more pickers out there that have channels that have their fur babies. But happy holidays. Keep it legal so we don't end up in jail for picking somebody else's lock that we're not supposed to. And keep it all legal. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe, baby. Anybody down there. Alright, have a great day. Sorry it's been so long. I'll get some videos up as soon as I can.